Here's why we need to revamp our living spaces with wood furniture. Have you ever walked into a room and felt instantly calmer, more grounded, and, somehow, happier? What if I told you the secret ingredient isn't a fancy rug or an expensive sofa, but something far more timeless? Wood. Today I'll show you why revamping our living spaces with wood furniture is not just a style choice. It's a lifestyle upgrade that benefits your health, wallet, and the planet. Stay with me. In the next few minutes, you'll learn 5 powerful reasons to choose wood, practical tips to pick the right pieces, how to avoid greenwashing and unethical sources, and 3 easy upgrades you can make this weekend. If you want a home that feels better and lasts longer, hit that like button and let's get into it. Reason number 1. Wood feels good. It's not just nostalgia. There's scientific backing to this. Biophilia, the idea that humans are innately drawn to natural elements, is more than a trend. Studies show that natural materials like wood can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve mood. Walk into a room with wood floors, a wooden table, and shelves lined with books. You feel grounded. The grain, warmth, and organic imperfections of wood create a connection to the outdoors that synthetic materials simply can't replicate. That tactile warmth has real cognitive and emotional effects. Offices that incorporate wooden elements report higher productivity and lower absenteeism. Hospitals with wood surfaces see better patient recovery metrics. Imagine bringing some of that into your living room. Reason number 2. Longevity. Wood is durable. A well-made piece of solid wood furniture can last generations. Compare that to particle board or cheap laminates. They swell, peel, and break. With proper care, a wooden table can be resanded, refinished, and revived. That means fewer replacements over time, less waste, and, importantly, more value retained. Investing in solid wood is often more economical in the long run. Yes, upfront cost might be higher, but calculate replacement cycles. How many cheap tables will you go through in the time a single oak table lasts? When you factor maintenance and replacement, wood often wins. Reason number 3, and this is the one people care about most these days: sustainability. Not all wood is created equal, and there's a responsible way to choose it. Sustainably sourced wood, certified by credible organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC. Commies from forests manage to maintain biodiversity, support communities, and ensure long-term forest health. Compared to many plastics and metal manufacturing processes, responsibly sourced wood often has a lower carbon footprint. Trees absorb carbon as they grow, and long-lived wood furniture acts as a carbon store. That's not to say wood is automatically sustainable. Illegal logging and poor practices exist. But when you buy certified or reclaimed wood, you're supporting a low-impact supply chain. Reclaimed wood is particularly powerful. It keeps material in use, prevents demolition waste, and adds character. If sustainability matters to you, choose certified hardwoods or reclaimed timber, and ask retailers about traceability. Reason number 4. Design versatility. Wood translates across styles. Rustic, modern, mid-century, Scandinavian, Japanese. Every major aesthetic has a wood vocabulary. Why is that important? Because wood adapts. A walnut credenza can be sleek and contemporary, while a pine farmhouse table can be cozy and lived in. Different species, finishes, and joinery create entirely different looks. Want warmth and contrast? Choose darker walnut. Want a clean, airy feel? Go for ash or light maple. And finishes matter. Oil brings out depth and keeps surfaces natural. Lacquer gives a modern sheen. And natural patina develops character over time. Selecting wood furniture is like choosing a visual and tactile language for your room. With the right pieces, your space feels cohesive, intentional and timeless, not trendy and disposable. Reason number 5. Wood can be healthier. Many mass-produced furniture items use formaldehyde-based adhesives, high VOC paints, or particle board that off gases. Solid wood, finished with low VOC oils or natural waxes, avoids many of these problems. If you or someone in your household has allergies or respiratory issues, swapping out synthetic materials for solid wood can reduce indoor pollutants. Of course, check finishes and adhesives. Not every wooden product is toxin-free. But when chosen carefully, wood often offers a cleaner, more breathable environment. So how do you actually bring this into your home? Here are practical, no-nonsense tips. 1. Know your species. Oak and teak are hard and durable, great for tables and floors. Maple and birch are light-toned and versatile. Walnut is rich and luxurious. Pine is soft, affordable and perfect for painted or rustic pieces. 2. Look for solid wood or plywood with veneer over quality core. Avoid particle board or MDF for load-bearing surfaces like dining tables. 3. Check certifications and ask questions. Ask for FSC certification or proof of reclaimed origin. If shopping secondhand, trace the piece's history when possible. 4. Inspect joinery and build quality. Dovetail joints, mortise and tenon, and solid wood rails are signs of good craftsmanship. 5. Mind the finish. Prefer oil, wax, or low VOC water-based finishes. If you need a painted finish, ask about VOC levels. 6. Buy local makers when possible. Local workshops reduce shipping footprint and often allow customization. 7. Mix new and reclaimed. You don't need to replace everything at once. Start with an anchor piece like a coffee table or dining table. Budget-friendly. Tip: thrift stores and estate sales are gold mines for solid wood furniture. A bit of sanding and a new finish can transform a find into a statement piece. Let's handle some objections I hear all the time. Objection 1. Wood is expensive. Upfront, yes. Long-term, often cheaper. Buy one great piece instead of 3 cheap ones. Use thrift stores and reclamation to save money. Objection 2. Wood requires maintenance. A little care goes a long way. Regular cleaning and occasional oiling or wax can keep pieces for decades. And scratches? They can become a story or be sanded out. Objection 3. Wood isn't kid-friendly. Solid wood is sturdier than you think. Choose harder species for high-traffic areas and use rugs or placemats to protect surfaces. Remember, patina from use adds character. Objection 4. What about forests being cut down? That's a legitimate concern. Opt for certified or reclaimed wood and support brands with transparent sourcing. Demand drives supply. The more consumers request responsible materials, the better the industry becomes. Want immediate change? Here are 3 weekend upgrades you can do now, even if you're not a DIY pro. 1. Swap your coffee table. Replace dated particle board or glass coffee tables with a solid wood top. It instantly warms a room. 2. Refinish a thrifted piece. Find a small dresser or side table at a thrift shop. Sand, add a coat of oil or chalk paint, and you have a custom accent. 3. Add wooden accents. Replace lamp bases, picture frames, or floating shelves with wood. These small touches build cohesion. Each of these upgrades takes a weekend, costs a modest amount, and delivers a big visual and tactile impact. Let me tell you about Sarah, a graphic designer in Portland. Her apartment felt cluttered and cold, lots of metal and glass. She replaced her cheap laminate table with a reclaimed elm dining table and swapped her bedside. Metal shelf for a walnut knit stand. The result? Not just a more cohesive aesthetic, but she reported sleeping better and feeling more productive working from home. Her home became a sanctuary, the kind of place that supports life, not just holds it. Stories like Sarah's echo what research says. Thoughtfully chosen wood furniture changes how a space feels and how people inhabit it. Let's recap. Wood furniture adds emotional warmth, durability, sustainability, design versatility, and health benefits. It costs more upfront but pays off in longevity and quality of life. If you're ready to revamp your living space, start with one meaningful piece, a dining table, a coffee table, or a bookshelf, and build from there. If you found this useful, do 3 things for me. 1. Like this video. It helps other people discover healthier, more sustainable choices. 2. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly videos on thoughtful home design. And 3. Comment below with what wooden piece you'd love to add to your home. I read every comment and I'll share my favorite responses in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, the way you furnish your home shapes how you live. Choose pieces that last, that nourish, and that tell a story. I'll see you next time.